In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a view in Microsoft Dynamics 365, specifically focusing on a personal view that you've created. Before we dive into the process, it's important to ensure you meet a couple of prerequisites. First, you must be the creator, or owner, of the view you intend to share, or at least have been granted the appropriate rights to share it. Additionally, your security role needs to include necessary privileges for saved views, and this might mean share, read, or even write, depending on the level of permissions you plan to grant to others. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to Advanced Find within Dynamics 365. Advanced Find typically appears as a funnel icon and is your gateway to managing and working with personal views. Once you're in Advanced Find, your next step is to select the entity or table associated with the view you have created. This could be entities such as leads, accounts, or any other table where your view is stored. Following this, you will need to locate and open your saved views. This action displays all your personal views, as well as any views that others may have shared with you. Browse through these to find the particular view you wish to share. When you've found it, highlight this view. It's crucial to make sure it's the view you own and want to share, to avoid inadvertently sharing the wrong information. Next, look at the ribbon or command bar in the Saved Views window, where you should see a Share button. Clicking this will open a dialog box, which allows you to choose the users or teams you wish to share the view with. At this point, think carefully about who should access your data. After selecting your desired users or teams, you will need to decide on the level of permissions you wish to grant them. These options include Read, which allows them to see and use the view; Write, if you wish to let them modify it; Delete, which grants permission to remove it; and Assign or Share, which gives them the capability to share the view with others. Remember, the permission levels you set will dictate what these users or teams can do with the view, so adjust accordingly to maintain data integrity and security. Finally, once you have selected your users or teams and assigned the appropriate permissions, conclude this process by clicking Share or OK in the dialog. With this, your view is now shared with the chosen individuals or groups, enabling them to access it as per the privileges you granted. By following these steps, you can effectively and securely share views in Microsoft Dynamics 365, making collaboration seamless and efficient.